Hey guys, what's up? I'm Gaming here today. Doing a video, but the homemade infinity gauntlets I made. Yo. These are the infinity stones, just like in the movie. Made it, no, just got these. And I also got some of these. Now the reason I'm crouching is because I have my school uniform on, not letting any creeps see me or go and try to take me. But anyways, yeah, so this is it. You know, everyone thinks he does this. He doesn't go. Goes. Also, Hulk's way stronger than him. It's just the reason I have to downgrade him in the movies is because the movies would go for 5 minutes or so if Hulk was at the comic book strength. But yes, different generations, Thanos did beat him. Thanos has beaten Hulk before, but that is because Hulk, Thanos can only beat Hulk when he's not angry. When he is angry, he stands no chance. Anyways, yeah, hope you like this. Just, you know, like that damn video. Also, the reason I haven't been uploading for recently is because my cat died. Been busy, just life. Anyways, like the video, and bye-bye. Please like the video. That's a lot easier. Anyways, yeah, bye.